Guys, this video is sponsored by Squarespace.com. I made my website with Squarespace and it was quick and easy, and you can make your own website for yourself or your business with the link down in the description, and make sure to use code TOMSTEFANIAK to save yourself some money. Supreme chair, supreme pillow, supreme... I honestly, judging by this house, half expected there to be water in this thing. I'm in the car right now, stuck in Manila traffic. Surprise, surprise, except I am not even complaining about it because I'm so excited. We are on our way to probably the most expensive sneaker collection, hypebeast collection, toy collection, just the most expensive collection of tangible items in the world. If you guys have heard of Big Boy Cheng, you guys know what I'm talking about. He has just copious amounts of shoes. Like, I am jealous. I don't know what size he is. Maybe he's a size 12 and I can steal a couple when he's not looking. So many collectibles, like he has Supreme everything, Louis Vuitton everything, Bear Bricks, sneakers, Off-White. I'm serious, this is legitimately like the most expensive sneaker collection in the world. This is not hyperbole. This is just the truth. I don't know what else to say. I mean, follow me on Instagram, Tom Stefaniak. Hit that like button and show some support on this video because this video needs it. This is legitimately the most expensive sneaker collection in the world. How many people can say they have the most expensive sneaker collection in the world? The correct answer for you guys that are good at math is one person can say that, because then the other person would have the second most expensive. And we're with the man, the myth, the legend himself. How are you doing?
I'm good, sir.
Thank you so much for having us here.
You're welcome here.
This is incredible.
Yeah.
I haven't taken a look at half the stuff in here and I'm already having my mind blown. So I just want to ask you a few questions so people can get to know you. First off, Big Boy Cheng has his own YouTube channel. So I'm going to leave a link down in the description. If you guys want to check that out, you can see all the crazy stuff that he has, because we're not going to have time to get to all of it today. But how long have you been collecting for?
Since I was 8 years old. I was really young. Yeah, I really love sneakers.
You got a bit of a head start on me.
You're still very young.
Yeah. Wow, that's incredible. And do you know how many pairs of shoes you have in your collection?
I think now I have 1,000 now. Wow. Yeah, close to 1,000 or 1,000, you know. That's how many the shoes are now.
That's amazing.
I already trimmed it down from 4,000. Yeah, because some broke down because of the weather here. It's
very humid, yeah.
Humid, and now I know how to take care of the shoes.
What is your absolute, if you had to choose like 2 or 3 pairs? The Wahlbergs?
This and the, I'll show you.
Okay. So one, these are the Mark Wahlberg ones. Yeah. That is amazing. I've never seen these.
The Wahlberger. And this one is the Undefeated.
Of course, classic.
But this one is the Drake.
Oh.
They launched the old release, all broke down, like
old. I was gonna say they look in really good condition.
I think Drake wants a pair for himself, so Nike made 20 or 25 pair. So I got one the size 11.
Oh my goodness.
This one. And this one.
And then the final one.
This one's nice. The Anchor.
Wow.
This one is the first of Eminem, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those look in amazing condition.
Yeah, very brand new condition. Yeah.
Yeah, incredible. Wow. So those are your 3 favorites in the collection?
Yeah, my favorites. Yeah.
So Jordan 4s in general your favorites?
Oh yeah,
or,
Jordan 4s, 3s.
Perfect. I see you have a lot of Jordan 4s and 3s. These too as well.
Travis Scott, yeah.
Wow.
DJ Khaled. This one, Oregon.
Yeah, I've never seen these ones before.
Yeah. This one is I have the white one. I think somewhere here. Yeah. This
the
one
Carhartts.
Yeah. The family.
Which ones?
Para.
Oh, the Para.
Yeah, they launched the white one, right?
Yeah,
this is the Friends and Family.
Wow. Yeah. It's like this teal suede all over. Friends and Family.
Yes, sir.
Nike Dunk SBs. These are very cool. I love the Para pattern that they put on these and the Air Maxes that they did last year. Really cool. What in the world? I don't know where to start. Christian is filming, Carlo is filming. I don't know where to start. There is just expensive shoes. There's zero way I can possibly, Carlo,
everywhere.
Where do I start? Just point somewhere and I'll start there.
There, off-white.
Okay, I'm starting there. We are starting with the off-whites because I don't know what else to do. I mean, these are things that we've seen before, and I own a lot of these, but we have off-white 90s, off-white Vapor Maxes, the original Prestos, which is something I'd really love to get in my collection. The white ones, which I have, the I forget what the Venta 97s, the Hyperdunks. We have, oh my goodness, are these like off-white samples? Oh my goodness, these are definitely off-white samples. What in the world is happening? Converse. These MCAs. And then the what are these, the MoMAs? Are these the MoMA Air Force Ones? This is freaking incredible. There's more down here as well. The original Air Forces. Like I said, I don't know where to start. There's a whole bunch of Hyper Adapts here, the self-lacing shoes. There's the Hyper Adapt BBs. There's the Sakai's, a whole row of Sakai's, a whole row of Element React 87s. This is just, I am having like a sneaker orgasm right now. Oh my goodness, this is one of my favorite shoes in the world that I don't own. I might actually pee myself. Honey Nut Cheerio LeBron 10s, which I know for a fact is like a $5,000 shoe. Fear 5, oh wow. I turn a corner and I see insane stuff. UNC Jordan 4s. What in the freaking world is happening here? Oregon 3s. These are like a Drake sample of a Jordan 4, I think. Like, wow. Wow. I'm liking this shelf over here. We have Spider-Mans, we have Satin Breads, we have Royals. This pair has been well loved and worn, so I appreciate Big Boy Cheng for appreciating the Jordan 1s as much as I do. Shatter Backboards, Knicks, the undefeated Kobe's. Oh wow, I just saw the Heat Wall. I completely missed this. Let's take a look at this. So I think it's safe to say that almost every shoe on this wall is worth at least $10,000. Undefeated 4s. These are the Mark Wahlberg Jordan 4s, which I've never seen anyone have in person. These things are absolutely incredible. The pink snakeskin Jordan 11s, the Oregon 3s, we have the Cause 4s. These are a little bit cheaper, but this is the Friends and Family pair. And then we have the not for resale, a little bit cheaper once again, Fragments. Some Jordan 5s, I'll be honest with you guys, I don't even know what these are. Some Michigan 3s, some Legends of Summer 2s, the Travis Scott sample 4s that some kid showed me in a stairwell in New York are sitting here. Now we have these, we have the DJ Khaled 3s, we have, are these, what, wow, these look way too new to be M&M 4s. What, this is like a perfectly preserved pair of M&M 4s. What in the world? These look in just pristine condition. And then I don't know what these ones are either. There's like a wing on the back. This is some sort of, oh, it's an Oregon 6 sample that I've never seen before. Carhartt M&Ms. I've never held these in hand before. Some Georgetown Jordan 3s that I've never seen before, and then probably like some UNC 5s or something. I'm not sure what those are, to be 100% honest with you. My brain is about to explode. Oh my goodness. You got this from Louis Vuitton Singapore?
Yeah.
What? This is one bag.
Yeah. I never seen it.
Neither have I.
Yeah. It's the first time I'll be seeing it. Came from Louis Vuitton Singapore, from Adrian. Hi guys.
Oh my goodness.
Please guys.
This is so big.
Go Tom, wear it.
This is a backpack? How is anyone supposed to fit this on their back?
I'm really shocked now. I didn't know that.
Go Tom.
It is that big.
Hold up, let's get this out of here.
Yeah. Whoa. And this is his bag.
Okay. So it comes with a Louis Vuitton bag. You can clearly fit the backpack inside of the shopping bag. This is more valuable than my life. Oh, wow. What? No. This is the biggest backpack ever.
Wow.
What in the world?
Oh shit.
Santa Claus bag.
Oh. Ganda Carlo.
This is not a practical item. He has a Supreme store, like a hot dog stall for Supreme inside of his house. What in the world? This is the greatest day of my life. Imagine having a sneaker room like this. Like, this is blowing my mind. I'm sure I've hit you with copious amounts of beautiful B-roll of all of these shoes by now. This could be an hour-long video. This could legitimately be an hour-long video. I don't know what to show you and what not to show you. Here's a whole bunch of Atmos Air Maxes, or these might be Nike IDs, but they're all animal prints. These, and these, and these, and these, and these, and then these like woody, whatever these are called. I forget what these are called. This is the front door. This is the front door of this place, and it is blocked with shoes. This is how many shoes there are in this house. There is a moving sneaker conveyor belt under the floor of his entranceway. Let me repeat, there is a moving sneaker conveyor belt under the floor of the entranceway, and then casually just chilling here by the door by a bicycle, one of my favorite shoes of all time. Oh. Okay, I don't know what room I just walked into. It's graffitied on every single wall. And there's like art and art and art and a giant, I don't really know what this is. Wow, more Travis Scott, Friends and Family, Cactus Jacks, the brown pairs. These are freaking incredible. I want these so bad in my life. We have the regular Travis Scotts and the regular Travis Scotts and the regular Travis Scotts and the regular Travis Scotts, and then we have the other ones over there too. Like I said, it just keeps on. How crazy is this? Very crazy. This might be the rarest pair of shoes we've taken a look at so far. Only 20 pairs in the world. This is a special version of the Off-White MCAs that released at the Museum of Modern Art in Chicago. Only 20 pairs. These are currently selling for like $16,000 at Stadium Goods in New York City. Here we're getting old school with the original Louis Vuitton Yeezys, the Nike Yeezy 1s in all 3 retail colorways, and of course the classic red October Nike Air Yeezy 2s, and then he has all of the Adidas Yeezys up on these shelves here. This is pretty standard stuff, so not that insane to see all these. These are shoes that I have, so we're getting into a bit more of the GR stuff here, which is a little bit relaxing because I don't need to start hyperventilating and freaking out at all of this, but these are the standard Yeezy pairs here. I'm not seeing any samples or anything, but then we move up to the Pharrells. These things all cost thousands of dollars. I mean, maybe the prices dropped now, but these used to go for like $2,500. These used to go for good money. These used to go for good money. These used to go for a lot of money. I don't know what the NMD market is like now, but these are some expensive shoes. Like this pair, I want this pair so bad. Here we have an Off-White sample. These never hit retailers. This is one of the pairs showcased at the Museum of Modern Art in Chicago. These probably cost around $7,000 at aftermarket value. It's a Air Max Vaporfly Air Max. Why am I saying Air? I'm too excited. I don't know how to speak English anymore. Just disregard everything I'm saying. This is an amazing pair of shoes. We have another Jordan 5 sample over here. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, these are the trophy rooms, right? Yeah, these are the trophy rooms. The Jordan 5 trophy room. I think these are the Friends and Family ones, the red ones. I don't know. My brain is just in overload right now. This is incredible. This is what the whole room looks like. I mean, it just goes on and on. There are shoes everywhere, and it's just beautiful. Like the interior and the finish. It looks absolutely. I mean, if I ever have a 6,000 square foot condo in New York City, I will dedicate a room to look like this, because this just looks incredible. I just want to buy it. Like, I just want to spend every single penny I have on shoes after seeing this. I'm sure you're going to see lots of the stuff that I missed on Sneaker Talk's channel and on Manuel's channel and on Carlo's channel. We're all here filming stuff. I have the best video. I just want to make that very clear. But this is just, oh wow. Like, I don't know what I've looked at and what I haven't looked at. Let's look at I know I haven't showed you guys these. We have Bin Jordan 5s. We have my favorite shoe of all time, the Jordan 1 Threads. We have some Comme des Garçons see-through Nike Dunks. And then these. I really need to add these to my collection. This is like a size 11, otherwise I might stick it in my backpack. And then the one, the only, Sugar Ray Allen, Jesus Shuttlesworth himself, Walter Ray 13s that he got when he won, or when he broke, I guess, the scoring or the three-point record in the NBA. I remember watching that game. He hit a 3 against the Los Angeles Lakers. They stopped the game. Reggie Miller was the announcer. They had a nice little handshake. It was a great moment, and this is a great pair of shoes for my favorite basketball player of all time. even gonna act like I know what any of these are, but these are some crazy, probably some bespoke Air Force Ones. Then there's these. Vice made a documentary about these shoes. I'll just let you guys watch that. Search up the documentary for these shoes. Vice talked about them. An amazing story. There's more just laying on chairs. I didn't even see these because of the camera. But Wahlburgers, trophy rooms, Tokyo. Oh wow, this is like a sample Tokyo. And then we have the Jordan 1 Chicago Off-Whites. Wow. You know, just a casual $7,000 Louis Vuitton bag laying here. No big deal. Just regular normal stuff that you see in this house. This one cabinet here is rivaling my entire net worth. We have a Supreme trunk, the Supreme Louis Vuitton bag, the other Supreme Louis Vuitton bags up top. I don't even know why I'm saying rivaling. This is smashing my net worth in this one glass cabinet. Oh my goodness, we have been inside DJ Big Boy Cheng's house literally all day, except I need to take a minute to step out to tell you more about the sponsor of today's video, Squarespace. As I mentioned, I designed my own website, tomstefaniak.com, with Squarespace. It was really easy. I've never designed a website before. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I was able to make a website that looks amazing. It works on mobile and it has mobile configurations that were really easy to set up. And of course, I was able to set up the retail component so I can sell my merch on tomstefaniak.com. This is from someone that has never tried to design a website before. We had it done in under 2 hours. You guys can save even more money if you use code TomStefaniak at checkout. Another huge perk that they have is that you can integrate the Instagram shop feature. If you've ever seen a store, you click on a pair of pants or you click on a new phone and there's that shop icon that pops up. Squarespace can help you implement that, which is a huge tool if you're running your own online business. So whether you're trying to start a clothing brand or you're a photographer trying to promote their portfolio, Squarespace is the easiest and best platform to make your website. Thank you, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video, and guys, make sure to check it out if you need a website. But that being said, thank you so much for watching. This has been an incredible day. Just mind blown at that collection, and we're going to be doing a whole bunch more stuff with Big Boy this week, so make sure to keep tuning into the vlogs if you enjoyed that and you enjoy Big Boy. He's an amazing human being, just super nice. I can't wait to spend more time with him and his friends because it was a great experience. So that being said, hit that subscribe button. Instagram and Twitter would mean a lot to me if you go hit a follow over there, and until next time, peace.